Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy shares in South Africa as a beginner. Buying shares can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be intimidating if you don't know where to start. And that is why I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take in order to start investing in the stock market today. Step number 1. Open an account with a broker that allows you to buy and sell shares online. So what is a broker? A broker is a company that acts as a middleman between you and the stock exchange, which is the JSE in our country. There are so many stock brokers in South Africa, but the one that we'll be using is called EasyEquities. Okay, the reason I chose EasyEquities is that it's beginner friendly. Anyone can start investing right away. To register on EasyEquities, you need to follow these simple steps. First, go to their website and click on register. Then, select the first option labeled for individuals 18 years and above. Then on this page, fill in your email address, which will be used for communication and resetting your password in case you forget it. Then fill in your username and password, which you will use to log in into EasyEquities. After confirming your password, click on register. Now, select your country of birth, citizenship, and residence. And to consent to the processing of your information, click on I accept. Then click on Get Started. EasyEquities will then ask you about your personal details, your address, and also perform an online identity verification. So under the South African law, they need to verify your ID before you can start investing with them. The online identity check is the fastest way for you to verify your identity. For a quick and easy registration, have one ID type on hand. For example, your driver's license or ID card or your passport. You'll also need to use your computer or mobile phone to take a selfie. After completing all these steps, EasyEquities will send you a confirmation email and you can start investing. The second step is to deposit money into your account. Click on the EasyEquities ZA account, then open the menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Under My Funds, click Deposits. There are two methods of depositing money. The first one is via EFT, and the other one uses either credit or debit card. So let's start with EFT. So what is an EFT? EFT stands for Electronic Funds Transfer. It is a digital movement of money from one bank account to another. So EasyEquities have several bank accounts to speed up this process for all their clients. For quick transfers, use the same bank as the one you are currently using. Select the one you use, copy the banking details, paste them on your banking app or internet banking profile. So it's important to use the correct reference number that you are provided to avoid delays in allocation of funds. The other method is to use your bank card. It can either be your credit card or debit card. Please note that even though this method has no delays, you will pay 2.3% of the total value on top. For example, if I'm going to deposit 100 Rand, they will charge me 2.30 Rand on top and a fixed charge of 1.60 Rand. which brings my total to 103 Rand 90 cent that will be deducted from my bank account. Now that we have money in our account, we are going to choose which shares we want to buy. There are several different accounts within the EasyEquities platform. For example, they have the ZA account, which contains South African shares. They have the TFSA. This is their tax-free savings account. They have the USD account. This one contains American shares. And they have many more other accounts that you can activate by clicking on the plus button. So to keep this video simple for beginners, we will be focusing on the ZA account. Click on the ZA account and go to the menu. Under my investments, click Invest Now. Okay, let's scroll down to reveal investment types. To choose which shares you want to buy, you need to do some research, guys. Do some research and analysis on the company's potential, competitive advantage, and risks. And also, you need to consider your risk appetite and time horizon. So after researching which company is suitable for you to invest in, go ahead and click on Equities. Under Equities, there are several categories that aim to divide the companies into different industries. You can also find the company you are looking for by searching for it. This is not financial advice, guys. Please do your research. I'm not going to tell you which company to buy. That will be your own decision. I'm just going to show you how to buy the shares. So after I did some research, I decided to buy shares from a company called Trelido. Trelido is a South African company which specializes in the manufacturing of security barriers for doors and windows. The graph shows the past performance of the share price over a period of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on. And remember, guys, past performance doesn't necessarily mean it will perform like that in the future. The price might even go down from here. Okay, let me quickly explain what these prices mean. The bid is the price someone is willing to pay for one share of this particular company. The ask is the amount someone who has the shares is willing to sell each share for. The broker handles the bidding and asking on behalf of us. And last price means this is the last price it was sold for in the market. Okay, when you scroll down, you will find another tab where you will be able to place an order. To place an order, enter the rand amount you are going to spend, and the system will tell you how many shares you will get. So for 50 Rand, I will get 18 full shares and some fractional shares. Or I can simply insert the number of shares I want and the system will tell me the price. Scrolling down reveals a summary of the fees charged by EasyEquities. There is also an option to donate some money to charity, which is nice. Before you can confirm your order, you must select between two order types. You can either choose a market order or a limit order. So what is a market order? In a market order, you are simply accepting the current best price being asked by the seller in the market. This order type is instant. A limit order, on the other hand, it's an order to buy a share at a specific price or better. This order type can take a long time to fill because you might have to wait for the share price to get lower and the price might even go up while you are waiting. So after you confirm everything, click on Buy Now. And that's it. You are now a shareholder of a public listed company. Congrats. After buying those shares, we are now left with 50 Rand on our ZAR account. To view the shares or make any adjustments, go to the menu, then click Account Overview. Here you can see how much profit or loss you have made so far. You can also view the number of shares you own. You can also buy more shares if you want, or even sell for profit. As you can see, I'm already sitting on 5.46% profit. And that's it for today's video on how to buy shares in South Africa as a beginner. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching and happy investing.